The Lost Glasses. It was a busy Monday morning, and the train station was full of people rushing to work. One of them was Nora, a young teacher carrying two heavy bags filled with books, snacks, and her laptop. She found a seat by the window and took out a book to read. A few minutes after the train left the station, Nora noticed something was missing: her glasses. She looked in her pockets, inside her bags, even under the seat, but they were gone. She couldn't read without them, and she started to feel worried. The train stopped at the next station, and more passengers got on. A group of noisy children sat nearby, laughing and playing with the toy animals. One little boy pointed at Nora and said, "Are these yours?" In his hands were the glasses. Nora smiled with relief. "Yes, thank you so much." The boy's mother apologized for the trouble, but Nora just laughed. She cleaned the glasses with a tissue and put them back on. The world became clear again, and she could finally enjoy her book. When the train reached her stop, Nora waved goodbye and left the train feeling grateful, not just for the return of her glasses, but for the kindness of strangers.